Hallo meine lieben Freunde, herzlich willkommen auf dem Kanal von Murostar. Wir sind heute für euch auf der Gods of Ink in Frankfurt. Seid gespannt, was wir alles für euch gemacht haben. Lasst uns reingehen. Auf geht's!
Hello everyone, we are here with our excellent guys from Murostar, our good friends from Murostar. We're here. Nexus is at Gods of Ink this weekend. If you are in the neighborhood, come by, go to Murostar or come to our booth, and we're gonna mix some samples for you to the configurations you're using so that you can try out Nexus. You can just come to our booth or come to our friends from Murostar and say hi. We would love to meet you. See you.
Ja, herzlich willkommen auf der Gods of Ink in Frankfurt. Ich muss sagen, das hier ist brutal. Also mich hat das ehrlicherweise erschlagen. Ich bin jetzt, glaube ich, das 5. Mal oder so über die ganze Convention gelaufen und jedes Mal entdecke ich neue Sachen. Also es lohnt sich richtig, egal ob du Tattoo-Interessierter bist, ob du Tätowierer bist, oder egal welchen Bezug zu Thema Tattoo stehst, also unfassbar, was hier los ist. Also das ist schon Endstufe. Sehr nice.
Hi, I'm Phil from Quantum Tattoo Inks. I'm here at Gods of Ink at Murostar Tattoo booth. Come and check out the awesome booth with awesome tattoo artists here. And I have some of my sponsored artists here too. So please come and check it out this weekend.
Hey, first day of convention, we are here with the booth of Moody, representing also our brand. Murostar is also here, first day, very nice. Welcome to the Gods of Ink convention. See ya.
Okay, so hello guys. We are here today for the Gods of Ink Frankfurt, and here is Master Dragon Hawk and Double GX. And we are here BO3. You can come to find us, wait for try our products. And also we have the Murostar near us. It's our distributor in Germany. So welcome to talk with us. Okay, see you.